Welcome back and prepare to be bedazzled, because today under my tutelage you will learn how to trade for the Master of Nature's Fury. Specialization in the Lord of the Rings Online Before the Shadow Update 34. So without further ado, without further delay, let's allow the tutorial to commence. The Master of Nature's Fury trait line allows you to maximize your damage per second output. You want to be able to deal a substantial amount of damage over time. You're at liberty to rank high in the Master of Fire trait, as well as rank high in the Tactical Damage trait. It would behoove you to max out the Tactical Damage trait, since a copious amount of your skills will induce tactical damage. You could forgo ranking high in the Burning Earth trait. You do not have to utilize that trait at all. In lieu of utilizing the Burning Earth trait, you can utilize the Knowledge of Storms trait, which will amplify your lightning type damage. You could also be slotted for the Lightning Storm trait. Lightning Storm is a potent attack that culminates in your adversaries experiencing the brunt of your fury firsthand, as you wreak havoc against them by unleashing a devastating lightning storm against them. You should also unlock the Sword and Storm trait, which enables your Staff Strike to deal additional bonus lightning damage and even stun the adversary. That skill is tremendous utility. You could also unlock Ancient Fire and rank high in that. It allows your Gust of Wind skill to have a chance to upgrade the Burning Ember's damage over time effect. You want to increase your Burning Ember's pulses so that Burning Embers can elicit more damage against your adversaries. You should also opt to reduce the induction durations of your skill inductions. If you opt to have the rank 5 rank in the rapid fire trait, then it will culminate in you reducing your skill inductions by 25%. That way you could more expeditiously dispense your adversaries. Bear with me one brief moment. Alrighty. So if you wanted more expeditiously dispense with your adversaries, then it would behoove you to attain the rank 5 ranking in the rapid fire trait. You should rank high in the dry kindling trait, which allows burning embers to induce additional damage, as well as last for a prolonged period of time. You should also max out your ranking in the Fierce Lightning trait, which allows your lightning skills to have the latent potential to induce additional fire damage over time. You want your lightning skills to be able to inflict fire damage against your adversaries in order to render them all the more potent to leverage. You should also unlock the Fire Shield trait, as well as the Nature's Fury trait. You should also attain a rank of at least rank 1 or higher in the Ring of Fire trait, which not only allows you to earn the skill Ring of Fire, but also double the radius of Ring of Fire if you choose to rank 5 in the Ring of Fire trait. You should also max out your ranking in the Mighty Wind trait, which allows your Gust of Wind to be able to disseminate burning embers to additional adversaries. should max out your Ring of Fire radius. By attaining rank 4 in the Ring of Fire trait. You should also max out your Sign of the Wild Rage trait. You want to be able to significantly increase the DPS output of your pet. You should also select the Inner Flame trait and at least rank it up to rank 1 so that you can unlock the Inner Flame skill. You should also select the Go for the Throat Lore Master trait and rank 5 in it in order to amplify your pest critical chance by 5%, as well as increase your pest damage. You should rank 3 in the Prepared Materials trait, as well as at least rank 1 in the Prepare for War trait. You should select the Cat Mint trait. As well as the Hardy Diet trait. Thanks for watching. This is how I recommend specializing your Lore Master if you're going to leverage the Master of Nature's Fury line. I just abstain from utilizing the Fend Them Off trait in the Master of Nature's Fury line, as well as abstain from utilizing the Burning Earth trait. And then you can also select some traits in the Keeper of Animals line to deplete the overage of trait points. The Keeper of Animals trait line allows you to bolster the offensive capabilities and defensive capabilities of your pet, who will assist you in dispensing with your adversaries. If you want to easily trounce them, then select the Master of Nature's Fury trait line, and as a secondary trait line, as a secondary focus, select some traits in the Keepers of Animals trait line if you have any points that you can afford to expend. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.